Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to set WhatsApp custom ringtones on iPhone. The first way is to use WhatsApp settings. Select any WhatsApp chat, next tap on your friend's name. After that, select wallpaper and sound. And here you will see the alert tone item. Tap on it and select another alert tone for this contact. After that, tap on save at the top right of the screen, and now all messages from this user will be bamboo. However, here we can only select a ringtone from the iPhone's library, and we cannot install the sound downloaded from the internet. What to do if you want to install the downloaded ringtone, I will tell you a little later. The second way to install the custom ringtone is to use the Contacts application. Next, select the contact and tap on Edit at the top right of the screen. After that, scroll down and select the ringtone. Here you can select the sound for ringtone, tap on Done, and here you can select the text tone. You can select from alert tones, you can select from ringtones, you can use the tone store, tap on Continue, select any ringtone, and you can buy it here. If you can't purchase the ringtone from the tone store, you can use Apple's official free GarageBand app to create a ringtone from a downloaded track. Follow the link below the video for a detailed tutorial on creating custom ringtones in the GarageBand app. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day. See you next time.